girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, that's right, I got my Boxycharm for the month of September. So if you want to see what I received, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, I'm so excited. I just received my Boxycharm box for the month of September. And you know I love the Boxycharm. So if you do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription. You pay $21 a month and you receive 4 to 5 full-size products that value over $100. That's right, $100 worth of product a month for $21. You cannot beat that, sis. So let me open this box so we can get inside. Oh my goodness, I didn't even bring my handy dandy knife or nothing. All right, got her open. Had to rip her open because, you know, I didn't bring my scissors or my knife with me. So, yes, got her open. This is her. Whoa. So, let's get inside. So, first off, you have the Boxycharm slip, which is all access this month is the theme. And on the back has all the, you know, the stuff of the products, which I don't ever read this unless I have to. So, let's open up. First things up, we have a recovering sleeping mask. This is by Dr. Brandy, the skin changing science. Biotic balancing complex hydrobiotic recovering sleeping mask. Deeply hydrate and moisturize to reduce redness and signs of irritation. That sounds very, very interesting. Yes, this is nice. Let's see. What does it say? Says a hydrating, recovering sleeping mask powered by a Biotic balancing complex to balance skin's natural occurring flora. Soothing peptides along with a restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and calming ingredients working in harmony to help soothe, nourish, and restore hydration to the skin. So that seems nice. Let's open her up and see what she's about. Ooh, she's pretty. Yes. So this is a recovering sleeping mask. Oh, she's sealed. So, okay, she has a color to her, like a very light bluish green color. It's very, very light. And she just smells like lotion, a face cream. Kind of with like a slight perfumey scent to it. It's really, really moist and sleek. Yes. This is nice and slippery. I'm rubbing it on my finger because that's where, you know, I had put it. But it's very nice and sleek. My finger feels very, it feels like when you put primer on. It feels very slip. It seems very slippy. So it has slip to it. So that's nice. Definitely want to try that on my face. But that is very nice. Next up, let's see what we got here. Ooh, we love this. Brushes from Moda Pro by Royal and Langnickel. 5-piece deluxe eye kit. And it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. No animal products used. That's nice. Look at that. Some eye brushes. So we have a shading brush, a crease brush, a detailed brush, a smudge, and a line brush. That is nice. You can never have too many brushes, especially for them eyes, honey. Because you know we like them shadows. So next up, this is by Hank and Henry, Slick With It. I like that. It says Slick With It. This is a long wear liquid eyeliner in Blickity Black. Ooh, okay. Henry and Hank, I'm feeling that. This is her. Super cute. Very cute. I love the packaging. Like she's black, but she got like this, the top is like chromey looking. Let's open this up. Ooh. Okay. This is cute. It's like a chromey purpley or a chromey dark rosy. Get this paper off. Ooh, see, she is black. She's a little felt tip. Ooh, how nice. How nice is that? All right. Next up, we have, this is the Microblade Effect Brow Pen in Taupe. Billion Dollar Brows by Billion Dollar Brows. Now this, I'm dying to try. Like, what? Because I want that micro braided look without doing the microblade. Okay, so yes, and taupe is my color. So let's open this up and see what she look like, because now I'm intrigued. Okay, like, ooh, yeah, she got the little 3 flicks. Or, you know, like the 3 little individuals. I don't know if you can see that or not, because the camera's like focusing on my face. But yeah, she has the 3 little things. I'm dying to try this out. I'm definitely going to do this in a video and see how it does. And y'all know I don't be doing my brows in a video because that is hard. So we're going to test this out. We're going to challenge myself. I'm going to do a brow tutorial and see how this does. So I'll do like one brow and the other brow like how I normally do it. And let's see how this does. Ooh, I'm excited, you guys. Excited. So last but not least, I have the Tarte High Professional Naturals Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. Woo, that is a lot to say, y'all. But this is her. She's super cute. I love the packaging. Oh my god. Okay. So let's open her up. You know I love palettes. So, ooh, look, she came with a little slip. Okay. Tarte trying to be bougie. Oh my god, and the little pamphlet tells you how to do your eye. So they got a simple sexy eye and a feathered brow, classic soft smoky eye, and then a diffused cat eye and bold brow. Oh my gosh, like literally they are showing you how to do certain things, how to achieve certain looks. Super cute. Hello. Okay, like that. And here she, oh my gosh, she's just beautiful. She just is so bougie to me because, I mean, she is gold and just, yes, honey. So this is her. I can't bend this all the way back, so I don't want it to shine because you see she's gold. But yeah, look at those pretty colors. Oh my god. And she got the little mirror right there. Okay. This is cute and bougie. And she got some weight to her. Like, I feel like if I was holding this palette up, doing my makeup, like say if I was on an airplane or, you know, somewhere out in public doing my makeup, which I rarely do. But if I was and people saw this, they'll be like, she got money. So, yeah, this is cute. And she's definitely an everyday. I can definitely wear all these shades. Like, these are something that I wear on a regular basis already. So let's go on and swatch a couple shades for you. So we're going to, these are for the eyes. This is Journey. We're going to do Journey first. That's Journey. It's like a taupey, light pinky color. And then we have Stone, which you might not even be able to see because that's like literally my skin tone. So yes, let's do Ember. Ember's nice too. That's like my skin tone as well. Ember, you can see it a little bit. Yeah, so that's nice. Let's swatch some of these contours. So we have Timber, Terracotta. So let's do Timber, Desert, Terracotta. So we have Timber. That is nice for sculpting some shadows. We have, which one is this one? Desert. That one, I think that's a little light for me. I don't know. We'll see. But, and this is Terracotta. Yeah, Terracotta might be like a good setting powder for me, but this is definitely a contour shade for me. Timber and Desert. Honey, we using that as an eyeshadow because that is too light to be putting on my face. But yes, this is her. So beautiful. And these are the shades. This is Timber, Desert, and Terracotta. Yes. So that's everything that I received in my box. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. Let's see what the prices are because I'm interested on how much this Tarte palette costs. So the Tarte palette by itself is $45. $45, okay? So therefore, and then the Dr. Brandt Hydro Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask is $52. But that's $100 right there with tax, honey. And then you got your other items in here that all well $27, $20, $18. The $1 Billion Brow was $18. The Hank and Henry was $20, and the Moda brushes was $27.95. So yes, this was a great box. I'm really, really pleased, and I'm really, really happy with this month's box. Please comment down below, what did you like out of this box this month? And yes, I will be playing with these items, so keep your eye out for future videos. I'm definitely going to be trying out this microbladed eyebrow pencil and see how that does. Like, see how that does. See how that does. Y'all know I'm excited about this because I'm singing and dancing about it. Oh my God. Okay. But yes, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.